Good morning. It's a Sunday. We parked. Well, we camped at the truck station right here. Camped over there, so then none of the truck drivers could see us or spot us. We got free showers. Well, not really free, but we took warm showers at the truck stop. I guess one of the managers at the gas station hooked us up. We're still about 100 miles away to Phoenix. It's supposed to be raining there on, I think, Wednesday or Thursday. So we're trying to make it out of Phoenix. Hopefully by then, try to stay out of the rain. Try to stay dry as possible. There's another truck stop at 6 miles, so I don't know if we're gonna stop there. Probably might stop there just to fix our inner tubes, because we didn't fix it last night. It's pretty awesome. The restaurant, we wanted to eat there, but they had construction there, or still reconstructing. Now all these truck drivers. Got some truck drivers over there sleeping. And also, you know, we're also doing this bike trip to donate to Breast Cancer Autism Heart Association. We're doing about 10% of our funds to each. I'll post the link under the video. Or you guys can go check my Instagram, RyanLee92. RyanLee92. There's a link on there as well. Make sure you guys follow me, follow back. The reason why we're doing this source of donating, because everyone that we pass or talk to saying, what are we donating to? So we're just figuring out why not, you know, why not donate? Why not donate to a cause that most people are more affected by? Alright, I'm gonna let you guys go. Gotta brush my teeth, shower up, clean up, and then we'll get ready to go on to Phoenix. Alright, bye.